Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Queenie as she gave encouragement, and let us know that people are people, and even though they may be different in many ways, we have to try to accept them for who they are. We have to accept them for who they are, and know that no one is going to be the same. People are different, and even when they are different, we have to learn to just see it and accept, because people, as the guest was saying, some people are born with brown eyes, some born with blue eyes. Everybody is different. But Queenie also said that people can change, so the way you are now is not the way you will always be. So she's really given some encouraging words there, and she's looking, at the person in a light of as a human being and nothing else, and that's really great. So just watch the video and please like, share, comment. And for all the persons who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, where you will get your daily updates.
Some people were born different. You have some people born with, I always hear you educate them about things, situations like these. You have some people born with blue eye. You have two black, somebody have sex, a woman and a man have sex, and the two of them black and the baby come brown. The baby come with blue eye. It's just how it is.
Sure.
If a person was born and them when them looking at the mirror, them don't see a male, them see a female, and they're not comfortable with their sexuality being a male, and them feel to change over. Accept the people for who they are.
Yes.
You understand me? I try to just like how you have some.
Because I can't get in a people's brains, darling, to tell them how to think. I'm proud of you for see you take a chance. And you can't speak the truth, because a lot of people that cover it up, they say, oh, I do the arms on, I'm all right, I'm good, I'm nice, but you speak the truth by saying whatever I done to you, and that's a lot of respect to you, because a lot of people live in denial.
Girl, I'm not argue with you, I'm not argue with you, but I'm a confession. Girl, I never kill nobody yet, I never kill nobody yet.
Listen, I hear
the confession where you talk about, you need to go talk to the woman and that's to them belly.
Speak your mind.
Exactly. You understand me? I say, me never kill nobody yet. Me never kill nobody yet. Me never dash on a belly yet or kill nobody yet, girl. So you talk about my confession. A confession. Which confession?
That's why you have to stifle your truth. They said things, because you say, maybe it's a tranny as well, I right against you, You see a lot of people here, when you see them put you down, and when them I go through and them have the guts to talk it, and they say, what? Did Dolly just say that? So you let the nail pan them head, but them not true and genuine to themselves.
Exactly, I love myself, but I love myself, I love my sexuality, I'm proud of myself. But it's just the truth. The side effect of the medication and the injection that you get, if you're not strong enough, it will push you to an extent to do crazy things. You understand? Sometimes you see some trans and you wonder why them so dark and illiterate and them so them have, it's like them no them hate society, them hate people. It's not really them, it's the side effect. Like for example with me, as me say, if me not control myself, me hate the world. Me hate all my mother. But me have to control it. Sometimes my mother will call me to talk to me and like me just get nervous, like me I say, God, I wish you call me but it's not me, it's the hormone. It just make it have that
no worry yourself, your life for your human. I'm not disown for nobody, because everybody have them own life and them own thoughts and them own vision. Nobody know what tomorrow will be. So if you take your chance and you suffer through it, you're only human, same way, it doesn't matter. And that's the thing with people.
So why not eat real woman? Girl, where you talk about, girl? Eat real woman for? I mean, not eat real woman. I come out of vagina. I can't eat woman. I will never, ever in my entire life eat woman, because I came out of a vagina. Yeah, and most of my friends them are woman. What are you talking about?
You woman, you other one turn woman. So that all of them say no make sense. You have to
no make no sense. Them just think dumb.
Woman. And you express yourself now. I say whatever you go through. And them I say you hate woman, that don't make no sense. So them people that you not pay them no mind, Dolly. You understand me?
I don't really come here Rika Goody, but them just mad sometime. It not offend me, no. It not offend me when people talk negativity. I laugh, but I'm just saying, me not hate woman. I love woman. I came out of a vagina. Me different woman to the max. I different woman to the max. But sometimes there are people, they say things, they do things that so, I wonder if them think. Like just like
Them
the
say
other
your
day, I
teeth
watch a live
pretty.
and
Them say your teeth pretty. Yeah, that's a
just
good
like the other
compliment.
day, thank you so much, Boo. Just like the other day, the girl will come on the live and she run a joke, which is not, it just wasn't a joke.
To
And then
who?
when Louis start retaliate now, them a bash him and make it look like say him wrong for retaliate. Sometimes you have to say, you have to know what to say and what not to say. Cause you go run on the live and I got talk about the babies, this and that. You cannot do that. So when in the
Thank you.
settings,
Thank
when
you.
in a setting and people retaliate, you say that now to me, and if me for retaliate in a
You
negative
want
way, you got
insult
yourself
me and
wrong.
do a wife in a joke, in a thing like that. That's a child. You don't run baby joke with people worldwide. And like in a private
And
place.
that's an innocent baby. You should even put the baby up on camera. That young
Yes,
innocent baby.
I'm glad him dip up and I need them. I say if you dip up and I need them more often. It's sweet, me.
It's just stupid.
But
Stopping the
either
haters,
way,
man. I'm not for the haters, man. Pauline. I come to talk to the nice, clean queen. Where I fight, we're in a need to get a crown because bad to bad, I share teach, you know.
that's true, man. I'm
Because
listen.
I find a young girl nowadays, my love, you know, married and through the marriage now working and I know for fight for it. So she are teaching us strength.
Hey, darling,
When you
me
hear
say
woman
you're
power,
smart blood clot, boy. I be allergic to attack if and them, but that's the truth you're trying to, but darling, you're right. A lot of them girl and go a man money, a man asset. The moment something go wrong and them not get the money and the sweetness, them just want to turn the button. Not me, me not give up that easy. Because I am a fighter. It's because I'm
you're
a
a
fighter and
fighter. You have
you
to
little
fight
good
for you
girl on
want.
the head. I started bashing my husband because he dip up underneath the girl. But really, how can you run a baby joke of a baby now? That's an insult to me as a wife, isn't it? Even though I draw my out and I say, how come I never know about the baby? There's certain things that technicality you don't play, run jokes with. And to when my husband
Exactly.
has got through with me and him, nobody no need for come run no more joke because whole heap of damage already been done. You understand me? So much
Exactly.
damage. You know
Thank you,
me go
Tanis.
through my slang and say, you know much me go through, you know me I forget my husband and say, do it. We are gonna be alright. No matter what, 'cause there's a God. And God is real. So when people sit there and chat for bash for pull, we're not paying on the mind and the list. Like how you come now, you as a Queenie. The hormones of me being where's something here where you take?
Me take the black and the hormone injection.
Yeah, the hormone. And you express yourself. And you're truth, you're not talk nobody. You know better you do more than go put
Yeah.
your rope around your neck. Or go walk around in a car. No better you say, boy, me try that something, you know. I never know say it not gonna work out. I never know it go alright. Me give you a perfect example. When I done my tummy tuck, my first tummy tuck, I did not do any research. Me just go make the back doctor chop off my ass gut. You see, 2 months after, the belly swell up and the whole of the what you call it, fluid. We wake up one morning, I
Fluid.
start to beer bloody water. Wah! Ah! But go on bad, listen. Me, go on bad. And me got the surgery. I said, them came and got the doctor and the man said, listen, you should have done a survey. What the man said, research. The man said, you just get up, got the tummy tuck. It's like this. When you do the tummy tuck, the blood becomes hard like an ice cube. That's how the man break it down to me. So we all need people to rehabilitate us. We all need people to encourage us and give up strength. It doesn't matter if I meet you so got the tummy tuck. The doctor take time out and he told me it's like an ice cube.
Mm-hmm.
And after the ice cubes start melt, it becomes watery. So that's the fluid. It break it down. So what people not understand, when people reach out to someone for a helping hand, just for a support, don't bash them. Because a lot of
No
people
bash
don't have the guts to come and say, Queenie, you know, some feel slimy that walk out in one car, but just to listen.